Now we're going to get some images of the negative transformative mother, and the ultimate is the image of Medusa. The story of Medusa is really quite profound and disturbing. Medusa was a beautiful young woman. She had, I think actually she was a nymph, but it doesn't matter. She was a beautiful young person, and she was raped in Athena's garden by Poseidon, the god of the sea. Athena was infuriated that her garden was defiled. You know, Athena was virgin. So she was upset that her garden was defiled. So what does she do? She punishes the victim. She turns this beautiful girl into a gorgon with snakes all over her head. And not only is she hideous, but anyone who looks at her will be petrified and turned literally to stone. That, Athena's behavior. So Medusa becomes an image of the negative transformative mother that frees you in the spot you are. You cannot grow. You will be mine. You will be mine, mine, mine. You will not go. Now, the story has a good ending. I mean, it has a good ending, which even no matter how difficult life has been, there's always the possibility of moving out of it. But with Medusa, Athena sends Perseus to kill her, to cut off her head, and he has to do it by a mirror. He can't look directly at her or he'll turn into stone, so he turns his back, he uses the mirror, he cuts off her head. And here's the amazing thing. Out of her head, when she's beheaded, out of her body springs Pegasus, which is, you know, the flying horse and the image of imagination. So that no matter what's happened to us, no matter how we have been wounded, this can happen. We can cut off. We can recognize and heal that piece so that imagination can be healed. Because people who've been very, very badly wounded have difficulty being imaginative. But it is a piece of the process to help develop that.